Now let's unbox this bookmail, shall we? Yes, she's the writer. The title of the book is Things She Left Behind. Look at this cover. The author herself has illustrated or designed it. Oh, wait, it is an author signed copy. Now to the interesting part, free goodies. This is an hand painted pouch. Let's see what is inside that. This is an art print postcard. Some free stickers, of course. Well, it is cute. We have a bookmark here. Oh, wait, it is another bookmark. And it is matching the book cover as well. A scented candle. Finally, a thank you note. So that's all in this video. Stay safe and make healthy choices. We'll read this soon and review it.